Hello friends, today we'll talk about ragging in India. You must have come across this term ragging in your college life some or the other time. So what is ragging? Ragging is a social interaction between students which sometimes takes form of brutal behavior, which in result creates hatred, negative attitude and sometimes mentally and physical trauma to victim. There are anti-ragging laws in India. Some states have their own legislations and some states are in accordance with the central legislation. Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, UP and others, around 12 states are there which have their own legislation. The central legislation includes Indian Penal Code, UGC regulations and other specific regulations. The Indian Penal Code has provisions which deals with ragging cases. For example, if any student is asked to do any act and that act brings some kind of shame or embarrassment, or the act adversely affects the physique of the student, then the student can file an FIR under section 294 which deals with obscene acts. Some important UGC regulations on ragging are Regulation 6. Regulation 6 states that a student has to sign an affidavit while taking admission that he will be not part of any ragging activity. Regulation 7 states that head of institution shall immediately report any incidents of ragging to the police. Some institutes have their own regulations under their respective acts, like AICTE and the Medical Council of India have their own regulations. This is the situation of ragging cases in India. This data gives out a clear picture that still we need a lot to improve and hold check of ragging cases. This data is as per the report of UGC between 2009 and July 2015. Honorable Supreme Court has given a landmark judgment in Vishwa Jagriti Mission case. The Supreme Court has laid broad guidelines for colleges and institutions to prevent ragging. Honorable Supreme Court in its views on ragging has mentioned ragging as an act of physically torturing and psychologically terrorizing. Students, college authority, society, law enforcement bodies are the stakeholders in ragging. All stakeholders need to work together to curb this menace. To curb the problem of ragging, there should be harmonious relationship between students. Authorities should organize awareness drives and there should be strict law enforcement. As this is the problem of students by the students, so there should be active participation of students to awake the community by ensuring zero tolerance against ragging. Students as well as the whole society should act as eye and ear of the authorities and take action against any ragging activity around them. This is 24/7 helpline by UGC. Any victim of ragging can report to the authorities by means of phone and email. Thank you. Visit us at lawpurush.com, like and share this video and get connected with us on our other social media platform, The Law Purush.